Welcome back everybody. In today's video, we're gonna learn about list slicing. So you must be asking, what is list slicing? So slicing means cutting something and list means, as you all know, list, and this is a list. We start with a square bracket. Let's say we have these elements, and let me show you the proof that this is a list. Print type of lst, and this is a list. So we have verified. So now what is slicing? So slicing means taking elements from our list one by one, or maybe by a jump, or in a some specific pattern, or anything like that. So first of all, we will do simple slicing and just print our objects from starting. This is 0, this is for 1, this is 2, and this is 3. Not the numbers. This is their index. Index means their position in the list. So let's start with 0 to, let's say I need elements, so from, sorry, this will be list, and then the square brackets will come, and then from 0 to I want up to 3, but we need to write here 4. Why, you must ask? Because it takes element from 0 to 3. It doesn't include last element. That's why we need to write here 4. So it's like 0 to n plus 1 to consider the nth element. So let's see. So as you can see, it has print our list. Now what I need to do next is I will show you how to use step. So if you write something like this from 1 to 4, this will give us 2, 3 and 4, as you can see. So you can just try it on your own, write different programs. Here 1, 2, 3 means that this is 1 and this is 2, second element. So this will print from first element to second element, including second element. And what if we write 1 to 1? What will it give? So as you can see, it has given us a empty list. So what if I write 1 to 2? Then it will just include this first element and leave the rest of the as a message saying Python is smart than you. Now let's talk about negative slicing. So what does -1 means here? -1 means from the end. So this is 0. So this must be -1. So -1 is 4. So let's see. Let me just comment it out. And it's printing 4 correctly. What if I do like something crazy like from -1 to -2? From -1, -4 to -3. So you must be saying this must give 4, but you are wrong, my friend. It doesn't give us anything because list move from here to here, not opposite side. So Python got confused and he says you are smarter.
Shut the fuck up. No one cares about your robot fan fiction.
Now let's see what if I do like -2 to -1. -2 is 3, 3 to 4, but it doesn't include -1, so it will only give 3. So it's correct, my friends. Now you have understood negative slicing very well. So just give me the answer of -5 to -3. This is a pop quiz. You have to write its answer in the comment. Pop quiz question step. So what is step? So you have run on the stairs and you know what is a step. A step is simply one stair, then second stair, or just in walking, you take first step, then second step, then third, and so on. So here is the same thing happens. This is our first step, this is second, third, and fourth. So what will it do? So you must be asking, how do I implement step? So let's learn with an example. So let's say we have a list with 0 to 4 till the end. If you doesn't include them, then it's okay. Python do it itself. It says, let me show you. And what now? So let's say I write 2. So what it does is, it takes first step, that is 1, then it skips one step and then move on the third step. Sorry, on the, this is 0th step, this is first, and this is second. So it takes 0 step, so it moves to second step and leaves the first step. So how can you remember it? you must say, I'm confused, what I do? So this is 0 step. Just move 2 steps from it, first and second. This is our result. Let me just show you. It will print only 1 and 3. So as you can see, it's printing. What if I does -1? So it's a special type of step, special code. So do comment what it will does, because it's very important, because most of the advanced programmers use this. So it means reverse writing of the list. So you must be asking how. So let me just show you. This is 0 step. So what will be the -1 step? So from the beginning, the first step will be 4, because it's the -1. So this will print firstly -1, then it will print -2 index, then -3, and then finally the element at the -4 index. So you will be shocked to see it works fine. So this is very important code, because most of the advanced programmers use, and some of the beginners, or you can say newbie, who doesn't watch my videos doesn't know about these things, and then they got stuck in their interviews or in their projects. They look like newbies. So let's just leave it. And this is the final thing I want to taught you. So this is the pop quiz you have to answer, and there is another pop quiz. So there are two, so you have to answer them, and the first one to answer them correctly, I will shout out his name. So the pop quiz is, what does this will do? So it's a special one. So before I go, let me just tell you something, that whenever you write something like, let's say, out of limit, you write this. So what this will does is, so Python will say there are no 12 elements. So what it does is, it just go from initial to ending, and you can see it's working fine. But what if you do something interesting like this? So it will print nothing. But what if you write 0 and then -1? Let's see, it printing 4, 3 and 2, 4, 3 and 2. Why? Because it doesn't consider 0. So this is something interesting, because it starts from 12th element, which is not present, so 4 is the element, and goes -1, -1, -1. That's the journey. So I hope you have learned something new. Do comment me the answer of this question, and see you in the next video. But before you leave, like, share and subscribe. We are so close to 200 subscribers. So see you later.